Ladies and gentlemen, YouTube can read text in videos and essentially make it searchable through the YouTube search engine. Here's an example that I've got here. Recently I was looking up an old spam that used to be going about called the want to be YouTube friends spam. I typed it into the search bar in YouTube and the Right Opinions video regarding the matter showed up. However, in looking at the description pane next to the thumbnail, you see that there's a timestamp there. It's detected this text in basically a screenshot that he had in his video, and it's indexed it into the YouTube search. I think this is absolutely fascinating. YouTube does virtually scan every aspect of a video, including text that shows up in it, and allocates it to search engines accordingly. I feel that this is a useful piece of information for search engine optimization. Getting a few screenshots of whatever piece of information you want to show and showing it within a video could be beneficial to help you show in search. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, these have been my musings of the day. For other musings, please feel free to click onto one of the videos in this end screen. And I'll catch you next time. See ya.